Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on viewing finished workouts on Xiaomi watches. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Tap the watch's home button to open the app menu. Then open the app with the icon that looks like a list. Here you can see all of your workout history. Tap on a workout to see more info about it. Scroll down to see all of the information about that workout. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Xiaomi watch tips and tricks.